everybody, my name is Tommy and today I'm going to be your science teacher. So today we're going to be learning about a new type of animal. Do you know what it is? Well, this type of animal is called a mollusk. There we go. Now, the reason I am stopping here that a mollusk can have two types of writing. One is K at the end or C at the end. C at the end. There. So it could be mollusk or mollusk. There are two types of reading and writing for that. So here are all of my information that talks about mollusks. First, we're going to look at some types of mollusks. Squids. Squids are squids. To label these, it lives in marine parts. Even though its head doesn't have tentacles, its body is mainly made out of tentacles. Now let me introduce you to squids. Squids are squishy animals they usually eat for supper with rice that have about 8 legs, 6 hunting legs, and 2 long hunting legs. Next are clams. Clams have bilaterally cemetery parts when we open up clams. This is because that clams look like this. So when we open it, it will be like this. It's kind of hard to draw. There. Just imagine this part looks like this part. It's called, the line in the middle is a line of cemetery. Next is the mussels. Well, the mussels are also like clams. They have a line of cemetery when we open them up. Next, oysters. Oysters also have that same type. When we open up the oysters will have a line of cemetery going through the middle. Next, snails. Snails and slugs are mainly one kind. Here, when we draw the body, there. This is a slug, and this is a snail. Slugs and snails have something in common. Slugs and snails leave tracks of slime behind. Next, they have eyes on tentacles. They have cow mouths, and they have their lower tentacles. Their cow mouths are here. The mouths simply stick to the ground and eat anything that is sticking to it. Eat the right food and they will just spit out the food that is not good for it. And it leaves tracks of slime because it eats while it moves. Here, something also in common with the snails and the slugs are they have one muscular foot. So imagine like this. This is a leg, right? This is a leg, right? And it has only one muscular foot to move it. And this is the body. These are the eyes. But the muscular foot is actually the body. This is the muscular foot. Next, the body is covered by a shell. This one is comprised of the clams, mussels, oysters, and snails. The slugs, octopuses or octopi, and squids don't have a shell. Next, we're going to look at the characteristics. First is they live in marine and fresh water, means that they live in the water. The head has tentacles and compound eyes. Do you know what I mean, compound eyes? The eyes can see everywhere. Next, the body has a cavity and bilaterally cemetery. Do you know what is a cavity? The cavity is somewhat like the anus of the mollusk, the part where it goes to the toilet. Like I said, it has one muscular foot to move. The muscular foot is actually a body of the snails and the slugs. The body is covered by the shell, the clams, the mussels, oysters, and snails. It respires through the general body surface, pulmonary sac, or gills. This occurs to all of them. The squids, the octopuses, and the octopuses breathe through gills. Snails and slugs breathe through the pulmonary sac, and the oysters, the mussels, and the clams respire through the general body surface of the water. Okay, so remember that. Now let's review. Squids, clams, mussels, oysters, snails, slugs, and octopuses are all sorts of different kinds of mollusks. They live in marine and fresh water. The head has tentacles and compound eyes. The body has a cavity and bilaterally cemetery, one muscular foot to move. The body is covered by a shell, and they respire through the general body surface. They respire through the pulmonary sac, or they respire through their gills. Okay, so hope you like this lesson, and see you next time with the next lesson. And hope you liked it as well. Bye!